Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Celita aka Joe, and today I am back with another video. In this video I am about to do a brow tutorial. So if you know nothing about makeup but you like to enhance your beauty, stay tuned. And if you do know something about makeup but you want to learn some new tricks and tips, stay tuned also. And before we jump into that video, if you are visiting my channel for the very first time, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friend. Tell your friend to tell a friend, and tell your family to tell another family. If you are returning to my channel, thanks for the love, thanks for the like, thank you for supporting me. Continue to like, comment, and share my video. Let's jump into the video. Today I am here to do a brow tutorial, and one of the first tools that you need for your tutorial is a brow comb. So what you're going to do, you're going to use this comb to brush your brow. So you are going to comb up at first like this, and if your brow is not just done, what you need to do is trim off any hair that are hanging too high above the line or the perimeter of your brow. And then the next thing that you're going to use your brow comb to do is to just brush in your brow like this. So you're brushing in the direction of how your eyebrow grow. So after you brush in and you're satisfied, you're comfortable, looks really neat and nice, the next thing that you want to get is a spoolie. And you're going to use the spoolie to just neatly brush in your brow. And you can also use the spoolie to fade in your brow powder, or if you use a pencil to get rid of that harsh line. So I'm going to use a spoolie also to brush in the hair so that it can lie really neat and smooth. So I can get that really smooth finish that I am looking for. While I am doing my brow, I'm going for a natural look and something that I can wear every day. So after you have all of that done, the next thing what you want to do, you need to get yourself a pencil, and that is a brow pencil. I prefer to use the color brown. Some people use black, but I use the color brown because it gives us a nicer and natural finish. That is what I think. So you can go ahead and use whatever color pencil you want to do, and especially if you're not going for an everyday look and you're creating something else, it will depend on the color also. But I'm using this little pencil, and as you see how small it is, it means that this is my go-to brown brow pencil. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to line out my lash. So my brow, I said lash, I am not adding anything to it. I'm just following the natural shape and I'm just lining it. A lot of people probably start at the bottom. I line from the top, and I'm going to use this little mirror, so let me bring it up a little closer just to ensure that I am seeing what I am doing. And a piece of my hair is in it. I just move that out of the way. Yeah. One thing I didn't show you as a beginner, and I should have shown you, is this. The first thing you need to do is measure where you want the end of your brow tip to be, and it should be between the corner of your nostril and the corner of your eye. That's how your natural brow would form. So you want to keep it within that frame. So you will measure it using whatever straight object you have, and you can use your pencil, you can use your spoolie, or you can use your brow comb. In this case, I am using my brow comb. So I am measuring it, and it is right in line because I already know. And also the next thing you want to do, ensure that the way your brow begin, it connects with the outer corner of your nostril. So it's lined up within the inner corner of your eye and the outer corner of your nostril. So this is it, right on point. And if you have, well, That is if you have it. I don't have it, so I can't display that, but that's what you are going for. So now that I actually done that, I'm still going to brush in my brow. And the next thing that you can do, as I said earlier, you can use a brow pencil to fill in your brow like this, just like this. But why I don't really use a brow pencil, it tends to give you a harsh line. So for me, I will go in with brow powder. Instead of using a brow pencil, I use a brow powder. So I have it is from a popular brand. It's just this. I'm not promoting a brand, so I'll show you what it is. And I have this for a while, so it's really lasting because you're not using a whole lot. So what you're gonna do is it comes with a little brow brush also, so you pick it up and you tap it on it and you knock off the excess from it. So you remove the excess, and then you would be looking in your mirror and you just fill in your brow just like you have it, and you continue to the tip. Right, I don't have a tip of such, but you'll see it in the end. And after doing this, you want to take your spoolie and you want to blend in all this powder nicely, very nicely. And right, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's not finished, but this is it already, and you can see the big difference with this one on this side, hence the reason why I'm not doing both, because I want to show you the difference in the end. So stay tuned for the rest. All right, so the next thing that you need to have if you're going to define your brow is a concealer. I am using the Pro Concealer, or Pro Girl, LA Girl rather, concealer. And I normally go for a shade lighter or 2 shade lighter. It depends on what you like. So I have 2. So sometimes I use this one, which is a little bit lighter than I am, and this one, which is maybe 5 shades lighter. Yes, I use it at times, but today I'm going to use this one, which is a little, maybe a shade lighter or almost as close as me. I don't know what to say. And because we're not going to use a lot of product, I am going to show you what I use. And also you have the option of using 2 different type of brushes to apply your concealer. The choice is yours, and whatever you like and whichever work best for you. But I am going to use an angle brush, which is this brush right here. Yeah, I put it a little closer. Hopefully the camera will focus for you to see. Look at the tip. Or you can go ahead and use a flat brush. Could be something like this. And this brush is from BH Cosmetics. This angle brush is from ELF, and I have another eyeshadow brush. Some people use even the eyeshadow brush to do it. It depends on what gives you that perfect angle that you need. But for me, I am going to use my angle brush. Why? I prefer my angle brush because I don't want it to be too broad or anything. I really like a natural look. So I am going for a pretty natural look because I consider myself to be a natural girl. So I'm going to tap a little of my product on the back of my hand right here, and that is what I'm going to work with. So while I did this, I'm trying to show you. I'm going to tap into it like this on one side, and then I'm going to tap into it on the other side. And yeah, I also try to get rid of the excess. And the next thing, the aim is to line your brow where you use the pencil to outline it. So I am going to outline my brow with a concealer, and the aim is to remove that line that you drew with a pencil. That's the real aim of the concealer. It's not to do anything else other than that. I always try to do like one sweep. Why? I realize it is way neater when you do it like that. And then you can use your angle brush to pull down the excess that is there. Sometimes I don't do the top of my brow because it's really natural when you do it like this, but for this video I am going to do the top. So right away, what you can do, you can go ahead and set your brow right now with a setting powder, or you can continue to the top and do it after. I am going to set my brow after, because I do things maybe a little different. But when I was in school, I was taught not to do the top of my brow, and I understand exactly why. If you really want to look natural, which should be the aim, when we do wear makeup, you don't want to mess with the top. A lot of us do it, but it's not natural. Right? It's not natural to put a concealer up there, but it's good because it helps with the cleanup process and give you a sharper and cleaner brow. But it's not a natural thing to do. So even though everybody do it, it doesn't mean that it's right. It doesn't mean that it's appropriate. And if you're going to a really professional look, you don't want to have this big thing on top of your brow. You know, some people have it up there because what? The next thing that you can do is just use your whatever brush you are using and just pull down or spot out the concealer to get rid of the heavy concealer. And then the next step is to use your brow brush. Right, whichever you have, you can use the same you can use the same angle brush or a flat brush, whatever you have to set your powder. In this case, I am going to use a shadow brush to set my powder. Reason being, I'm trying to show you it doesn't matter, it's solely up to you. But however, I would have preferred to use my angle brush. Why? I think when I use my angle brush, I get that like defined look that I want and that natural look. But today I'm going to use this. So the aim is to just set your brow. The setting powder is just to set your brow so it is set in place. And if you notice you're not seeing any line, I don't know if you can see it properly, but there's no line or anything of that sort. Sometimes I just use my finger and I do something like this to blend it out, so it just really look natural. Because you don't want to, if you're a natural person, you don't want it to be so excess. And the next thing I tend to do at time, I just use my spoolie and I just blend in the front of my brow. Why? I want it to look really natural. Don't want it to show any form of line or like anything is there. And this is the basic way to do your brow. And I just want to show you the big difference. This is it not done, and this is my brow done. And that is all you have to do with your brow to get that makeup shape, that professional brow look. I like makeup, I'm excited. And the next thing that you can use on your brow to gel it in is to use the brow gel, and I'm using one from Maybelline. And you just do something like this and you just brush it in, and this is going to just set your brow for the entire day. You don't have to worry about it or anything. And there you have it, guys. This is a simple brow tutorial for beginner makeup artists or someone who just wants to learn to do their brow for their own purpose at home. You are also going to try all the products that I use or anything of that sort at your own risk. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope this look, well, it's not a look, but I hope my brow tutorial will help you to shape your brow. It is that quick, it is that easy, it is that simple. That is all it takes. If you're not going extreme, if you're going for that simple look, and this is the side that is done and this is the side that is not done. I'm closing up a little so you can see the big difference. There's a big difference. Alright, so that's how you get a simple brow. Thanks for watching my channel. Stay tuned and continue to support my channel. And please do not forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. Peace out.